it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it
Hey, what's for bad? It's Marinelle. Wala. Hey, what's for bad? It's Marinelle. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to do a glowy summer look. I want to do something different, so further ado, let's get started. So I know I look like nasty like that, but before we apply those makeup and also even a primer, we're going to apply first a sun cream from Nivea Spray. This is Sun Protect and Light Feel Refreshing Individual Sun Mitt with SPF 50. Next, a shush water. Go ahead, whatever you're using. Primer, as me always, I'm using this Maybelline primer. So next, we're going to apply eyebrows. Eyebrows. So I'm using this BLK with the shade of shade of ash brown. So after doing our brows, I'm going to do obviously next foundation, but I'm going to apply only a little bit, so even it's so sunny, the foundation will be not just disappear in a minute. See? And sorry for if you're hearing some construction worker, because there's building a house in the building, or I think they're renovating just front of our house, so sorry for that. And I'm going to use brush. Parang sinabi. So of course your neck also, so it could be fair skin. So I don't apply concealer when the weather's so hot. I'm just putting a foundation only in this part, because this is the really good coverage of Fit Me. So after blending it, I'm going to start putting some highlights here, so it will be glowy makeup. You know what I mean? I'll be using this Isadora or any kind of highlight you having. So I'm going to use only my finger. Hehe, I failed. I'm using eyeshadow. My gosh, it said eyeshadow. Focus. And eyeshadow. That's eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. So here is. I found my Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. It's bronzer. So I found my highlight. So I'm using this Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. It's with waterproof bronzering powder. So after putting some highlight, I'm going to put also the what's that? Wait, contour. Oh my gosh. Okay, contour. Okay. In my contour, I'm going to mix Rimmel and pink sugar. So it should give nice coverage. So after that, we're going to continue with our eyes lid. I'm going to use only a warm brown this part. So we're going to put this metallic brown to apply a eyeliner brown, eyeliner brown. Get it? So I'm going to face here so you can see it how I do it. We're going to use a brush to blend it out, those you apply on your eye. Makes sense, right? Sorry. So after doing that, we're going to do our lashes. So I'm using the lashes. Oh my gosh, ang banga. So after applying lashes, we're going to continue with our powder. I'm using Maybelline as always. So I'm going just to retouch it. So for our blush, I'm going to use this bronzer brown. I don't know because it's how will you? I don't know because look the packaging. See? So for the lipstick, I'm going to use this Maybelline and Kylie. I'm going to mix so it could be matte. So I'm going to do something crazy. Look for this summer because I really want to do something for this summer. So I'm going to change my hair. So I'll be back and it glows naman yung makeup. So I'll be back, guys.
If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be.
So thank you for watching. I hope you like this glowy makeup summer, and it's your choice if you want to do the same as what I did. Actually, I went to parlor and I made up my choice to do some highlight color to my hair, and go watch it to my blog. What is the first result actually? So again, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of me, and also remember, beauty is being you. So bye.